Hey everyone, this is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, your go-to source for powerful and easy-to-use Excel tools. Today, I'm excited to show you how you can download and use the Excel Driving Distance Calculator for the UK, a tool designed to simplify your driving distance calculations directly in Excel. If you're managing logistics, planning delivery routes, or optimizing travel schedules, this tool is a game changer. It connects with Google Maps to calculate precise driving distances and times, all without leaving your spreadsheet. For over 16 years, we've been creating Excel tools, and this one is a favorite among 7,500 plus happy customers. Every week, we receive emails from clients telling us how grateful they are with this tool and how it helped them become more efficient. It helps businesses and individuals save hours of work, reduce errors, and improve efficiency when dealing with location-based tasks. Don't just take my word for it. Check out our 130-plus Google reviews and see for yourself what our clients are saying about this tool. These reviews speak volumes about how useful and time-saving our tools are. Using the tool is simple. First, download it from the link in the description below. Once you open the Excel file, paste your Google Maps API key into the Settings tab. If you need help setting up the Google Maps API key, we've created a video to guide you step by step. Then, enter your starting and ending addresses in the main tab. It works with full addresses, postcodes, city names, and even partial addresses. Once we've done that, just click Calculate, and the tool will instantly generate the driving distances in kilometers and travel time in minutes. Whether you're working with 10 or 10,000 addresses, the tool processes them in minutes. This tool is especially useful for UK-based users because it works seamlessly with UK addresses, postcodes, and regions. It pulls data from Google Maps, ensuring the most accurate results. Plus, there's no software installation required. It works directly in Excel, making it incredibly flexible. If you're ready to download the Excel Driving Distance Calculator, click the link in the description below. And if you need any help or customizations, we're here for you. Call or email us, and we'd be happy to assist. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tools. Thanks for watching, and let's make your work faster, easier, and more efficient. See you next time.